If there's one thing I know you guys love, that is makeup unboxing videos. So today I'm going to be unboxing the entire Makeup Revolution X The Simpsons collection for you guys. So this collection is different than the previous Simpsons X Makeup Revolution collection, where it was the Treehouse of Horror collection. And that collection was like, it was fun. It wasn't really my vibe. The palette was great, but like overall wasn't my vibe. Now this is giving me like hipsy.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Haha. But this is giving me like hipster, hippie love kind of vibes, and I'm down for that. It's very bright and colorful. There's a lot of products, so I'm gonna unbox all of this and show you guys what all I got. For starters, we have a cute little bag. It's a heart-shaped bag. This is great for obviously on the go. It's cute, it's soft, it's nice.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Next we have a brush set. This is a cute brush. This is the Summer of Love brush set. So there are definitely some good brushes for bronzers and whatnot. Now I'm actually not gonna open this because I do wanna give this away. And like all of my unboxing videos, I give away a lot of these products. So some I will open and keep for myself and some I'll give to you as long as you're subscribed to my channel. This will be one of those things, but they look really cute. I love the colors and definitely would like to add this to my collection, but I thought I would gift one of these. But I thought I would gift this specific brush set to one of you. This is the Summer of Love Fixing Spray. This is what she looks like. Cute. This is a great size. It has, I think her name is Marge on the front. See what it smells like. Oh, that's nice. Smells expensive. I like that. Ooh, that's a keeper for me for sure. Next we have a Summer of Love First Kiss Ombre Highlighter. This is cute. This is giving something. I mean, I understand why they're calling it an ombre highlighter. It's very, very hard to see, at least on camera. In person, it's a little bit more. You can see it's a little bit darker over here, but like barely. So for example, the Cody Cosmetics blushes, this is a gradient blush. That is a very obvious gradient. So that's kind of what I was expecting. This is a little overwhelming, but hopefully it still performs nicely because that's really all that matters. Next, we have a Summer of Love Sunshine Ombre Highlighter, another ombre. This one is definitely easier to tell that it's an ombre. Obviously, you got the brown and the gold to more of a champagne. This would be really, really pretty, especially on more darker skin tones. I think that'll look so beautiful. All right, we have our first of two eyeshadow palettes. This is just called the Summer of Love palette. Opens up like a little book. This is what she looks like. She's giving cute and fun and springtime. I love that there are so many shimmers. I really love this color right here. It's called Cool. This is really cute, and depending on what the other palette looks like, I might give this one away. This is the larger eyeshadow palette. This is full size. This has the other colors plus a ton of new ones. So let me just like hold up both palettes side by side to show you. So obviously a lot of overlapping shades, but obviously this one has a ton more because it's a full size palette. I really love keep on trucking down here at the bottom. So I think I'm going to keep this palette for myself, and then y'all can have the smaller one because she's still cute and free. We have these bad boys, which are super cute. So this is a liquid blush. I love all the packaging for this collection, actually. I don't ever use a liquid blush, so I'm actually pretty excited about this one. We have a liquid bronzer, also super excited because I do want to start incorporating more liquid or cream bronzer into my base, because like my base is beautiful, like let's not get it twisted. But I do want it to be a bit more impactful, and I think starting off with a liquid or cream first, then setting it with a powder will look better on me. I'm keeping these because I think that will be a cute moment for me. We have these two guys. These feel very cheap. These feel like rolled up pennies, like when you put the little pennies in the little, you know, coin things. Doesn't it look like that? It does. So these are lipsticks, I believe. Lip tint and also lip tint. So this is in the shade Fabulous. Okay, this isn't cute. Not for me, at least. Don't love the color. So this is definitely going to be given away. Again, this is just a lip tint. And this one is in the shade Rad. That's cute. I could see me using this, right? You know, I like my mauves and stuff like that. So I could see me using this. So I'm gonna keep this one. Actually, I'm gonna give both of these ombre highlighters away. If you want your hands on these, just make sure you like this video. Leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will get that sent out to one of you lucky subscribers. Just a quick recap on this collection. This is the Makeup Revolution X The Simpsons collection. I think it's super cute overall. I love the vibe. It's very spring, very hipster, very cute. Do I think all the products within the collection are fantastic? No, I'm not super impressed by the ombre highlighters. Like it's a big stretch to call them ombre highlighters compared to like typical ones. Those are kind of meh. I don't love the small eyeshadow palette, but I do kind of love this one. There are a lot of muted shades like around here that I wouldn't use, but I still think this would make for a good look. I am excited about the liquid blush and liquid bronzer. Also obsessed with the setting spray. This is so good. It just feels and smells just fancy, like bougie, like my engagement ring and my beautiful eyes today. It's a moment. It's a fantasy. But that is the full Makeup Revolution X The Simpsons makeup collection unboxed. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do want more unboxing videos, please let me know, and I will obviously do that for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one.